Hi, I am Jay Young with Brian Elder's Roofing Solutions on another roof to show you the signs of wind damage. Well, this is the evidence of wind damage when shingles are missing, but if you were just to look at a roof, could you tell an area that has wind damage without shingles missing? How about this area right below it? As you can see here, these are signs that the wind has torn these shingles loose. Over here is another area. You can see that the wind will raise these up, and here as well. So if you're looking for things on your roof, right here's another one. There's usually just a little seam right there where the wind will sit there and flap these things, and then the sand and the grit on the shingles will come loose. Over here, evidence that the shingles have blown off. Again, evidence of wind damage. So if you're thinking that all the shingles are on your roof and everything's a-okay, you may have some shingles very much like these that are just one windstorm away from being in your lawn. If you have any questions that you may have some of these shingles on your roof, please give us a call at Brian Elder's Roofing Solutions at 901-867-0303.